walking to Phillips. Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go meet Zach in the snow. Look at the snow. It's so pretty.
I thought you hated snow.
So it's pretty.
I thought you hated it.
But it's pretty.
But I thought you hated it.
But it's pretty. Wait, you were running in the snow. I got snow in my face. Okay, I'm tired of running. Hope I don't mess up my camera. Okay, it's all blurry. There we go. We're walking in snow. Okay, I'm putting my hood up now.
Yes, it's cold.
No, not this cold. I just keep on getting snow in my face. Woo! We're going to meet Zach at Phillips. Because we so totally fucking own like that. Stuff fitting everywhere, and I hope he has a cigarette.
I hope it does too. Yeah.
Who's that?
This is Zach.
Hi, Zach!
I'm walking. Okay.
Cool.